Looking to keep your Yamaha Rhino's interior looking fresh while shielding your seats from mud, water, and daily wear? These neoprene seat covers offer exactly that, durable protection that preserves your investment and keeps your ride comfortable through every trail and task. I've seen firsthand how quickly factory seats can wear down when exposed to outdoor elements and constant use. That's why upgrading to neoprene covers made from the same material as wetsuits makes a real difference. They naturally repel moisture and dirt, so rain, sweat, and grime don't soak in or cause damage. Plus, reinforced front and back panels stand up to the wear and tear from getting in and out, even on long rides. What really stands out is the custom fit. These covers aren't loose or generic. They're tailored to match your Rhino's original seat style. The result is a sleek, reupholstered look that blends perfectly with your interior instead of looking like an afterthought. It's a practical upgrade that also sharpens your machine's appearance. Installation is a breeze, too. Special elastic cords and nylon straps secure the covers tightly to the seat and mounting points, so you can install them yourself without extra tools. When it's time to clean up, just remove, wash, and reinstall. This makes maintenance hassle-free, even after years of use. Backed by a limited 5-year warranty, these covers deliver long-term reliability. Many owners report excellent durability beyond 5 years, holding up well through multiple washes and rough conditions. That kind of real-world performance offers clear value for anyone who depends on their Rhino day in and day out. If you're ready to protect your seats, refresh your Rhino's interior, and extend the life of your machine, this upgrade is worth a look. Check the product link in the video description to see current availability. Try it when you're ready, and keep your Rhino ready for every ride and every job.